What I'm looking for, when I get the assignment for a BPO, okay, I know my marketplace pretty well. I do, I know it really well, I've been doing it for a lot of years. All right, so I'm looking for 3 souls. And the 3 categories I'm looking for is inferior, then I step over to my other comparable that I'm looking for, and I want to look for a most equal. And then finally, I step over here again, and I'm looking for superior. So let me give you an example, since we have 3 comps that we need. So I'm going out to the property. I have this assignment, and I'm going to do a exterior BPO. Okay, I'm going to the property, and since I know the marketplace fairly well, the assignment is a ranch with 1-car garage, 1,500 square feet. So I'm thinking to myself before I go out there, and I collect all my information by the MLS. I have an O&E in my pocket, like we discussed earlier. I also have any county records that I pull up. So I'm thinking, you know, the value might be around 100,000, maybe 101, 102,000. That's what I'm thinking in advance. So I'm, again, looking for comps. In my mind, I'm thinking, all right, so I'm going to value, I might be valuing that property in that price range. So, inferior comp that I'm looking for could be 90,000, could be 91,000. Inferior comp, okay? So I'm going to step over here, and what I'm looking for here is a most equal comp. So, you know, my mind's saying 101, 102,000. So I find a comp that's 99,000. Is that pretty close to what my value I'm thinking? Yes. So finally, I have my 2 comps, and I'm going over here, and I'm going to say, I'm looking for a superior comp. So I'm looking for a comp maybe in the neighborhood of 109 to 112,000. You see the organization that I'm trying to put in perspective? Okay, that's just to give you an example. And mind you, we will go over many examples before we have lunch. So what I'm telling you now is just to kind of prep you to know what to expect in the near future. So the BPO consists of 3 solds and 3 listings. Sometimes they'll require you to have 4 comps, 4 listings, and 4 solds. Test question is this. Under contract may be used as a listing. If you do not have 3 lists, comparables that are, if you have 2, and you're looking for a 3rd, and you see that it's under contract, you see what under contract, you can use that as a listing. And you can actually, you know, contact the broker, the listing broker, and if he or she is willing to talk to you, would that be a good scenario for you as far as comps? Yes. So under contract, comps can be used as list comparables. So be aware of that. Could be a question that will be asked later.